Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Claude Code is an AI-powered coding assistant that works directly in your terminal or IDE, acting as a peer programmer and a knowledgeable tutor. For beginners, it provides an unparalleled opportunity to write better, cleaner code and learn best practices in a real-world context. Let's start with how Claude Code helps beginners. Claude Code excels at the tasks that often slow novice developers down, allowing them to focus on the overall logic and structure. In here, first we have instant code explanations and debugging. Right here we have code tutor. If you don't understand a function, a class, or an entire module, simply ask Claude to explain it in plain English. This is faster and more contextual than searching documentation. We also have fixing errors. Instead of spending hours struggling with cryptic error messages, paste the traceback right here, let's say from this Visual Studio, and the relevant code into Claude right here. It can debug logical flaws, fix syntax mistakes, and suggest optimized code. Let's also get to writing clean, high-quality code right here as another advantage. We have these best practices. Claude is trained on massive amounts of high-quality code. When generating code or refactoring, it naturally incorporates modern conventions, descriptive variable names, and clear docstrings documentation with the code. We have in here refactoring. Ask Claude to, like this, write this prompt as you can see. Refactor this function to improve readability and add comments. This is an excellent way for beginners to see how experienced developers clean up and optimize working code. You can also test regeneration. Claude can write unit tests for a function you just created, demonstrating how professional code is verified and helping you adopt a test-driven development, that is TDD mindset. Now, let's get to the essential beginner workflow and features. To get the most out of Claude Code, follow a structured workflow and leverage its core features. First, setup and project context. The first step is to install Claude Code via npm install g at anthropic-ai/claudecode and start a session in your project folder by typing Claude. We have in here Claude.md, which is your project's memory. When you start, Claude Code can automatically create a Claude.md file. This file acts as Claude's long-term memory for your project. As a beginner, use this file to document your project's goals, tech stack, and coding style preferences. Claude will read this file at the start of every session, ensuring its responses are always consistent with your project. Now you also need the explore, plan, and code strategy. Avoid giving Claude a single massive prompt. Break tasks down to ensure accuracy and to help you maintain control. In here we have explore. Show me the files in this directory, or explain the structure of this project. This grounds Claude in the current context. We also have plan, which is plan mode. For any new feature or complex bug fixes, use the plan mode. And we also have code and commit. Instruct Claude to implement step 1 of the plan or even to fix the bug using the plan we discussed. Now these are some of the best practices. Just first, be specific and review. The single most important tip for beginners is to be specific with your prompts. A vague prompt like, make this better, yields definitely poor results. A specific prompt like, refactor the user_auth.py file to use a new logging system and add comprehensive error handling works much better. Always also review and test every piece of code Claude provides. It's an accelerator and definitely not a replacement for quality control. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.